Hey, if you've been looking for a smarter way to make money online without starting everything from scratch, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today, we're talking about how to find high authority expired domains using Buried Profits AI. And more importantly, how you can turn those domains into real income opportunities. Now, quick question. Have you ever tried building a website from zero? You pick a domain, write content, wait months for traffic, and nothing really happens. That's where most people get stuck. But what if you could skip that slow phase entirely? That's exactly where expired domains come in. Expired domains are websites that were once active but weren't renewed. And here's the key. Many of them still have existing backlinks, authority, and even traffic. In other words, they already have value built in. So instead of starting from scratch, you're stepping into something that already has momentum. Now, the challenge is finding the right expired domains, because not all of them are good. Some are spammy, penalized, or just completely useless. This is where Buried Profits AI comes into play. Inside the system, the first thing you'll learn is how to identify high-authority domains quickly. Instead of manually checking hundreds of domains, the process is simplified so you can focus only on the ones that actually have potential. You'll be looking at a few key factors. First, backlink quality. A strong expired domain will have links from real, trusted websites, not random spammy sources. Second, domain history. You want to make sure the domain was used for a legitimate purpose in the past, not something shady. Third, niche relevance. The closer the domain is to a profitable niche, the easier it becomes to monetize. Now here's where things get really interesting. Buried Profits AI shows you how to take those domains and turn them into simple websites using a one-click setup method. No complicated design, no coding, no overwhelm. Within minutes, you can have a site live and ready to monetize. And speaking of monetization, you're not limited to just one method. You can turn these domains into affiliate sites that earn commissions, lead generation pages for local businesses, or even flip them for a quick profit. Some people even build long-term passive income assets from a single domain. And if you're worried about content creation, the built-in AI prompt system helps you generate everything faster. You're not staring at a blank screen. You're following a guided process. Now let's be real for a second. This isn't a magic button. You still need to take action, apply what you learn, and make smart decisions when choosing domains. But compared to starting from zero, this is a much faster path. You're leveraging assets that already exist instead of trying to create authority from nothing. And that's what makes this method so powerful. If you've been struggling to gain traction online, or you're tired of overcrowded strategies, this could be a completely different angle worth exploring. So here's what I recommend. Start small, pick one domain, apply the process, learn how it works, then scale from there. That's how you build confidence and results. If you want to check out Buried Profits AI and see exactly how this system works step by step, I've left a link in the description below. All right, that's it for me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried expired domains before? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.